Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? So in this video we will talk about visualization in Power BI. Okay, so let's start the video and watch complete video till end. Don't miss any part, it will help you to learn more. Okay, so first of all you will load data on Power BI. After loading the data, it shows the data in the visualization bar. Okay, as you see, the data has been loaded in a stacked bar chart. Okay, like that, as horizontal lines. Okay, after loading this data I can change its color to green. Okay, so now I can add a visual of card. Okay, then in card visual I select subcategory name as rows and total orders as value. Okay, so it created a filtered card. I can add a card visual on this, and then in card visual I can add the data of, by doing control C control V we can get a duplicate of this card. Then I can change its value to gross revenue. Now I am creating a new measure. As you are seeing here, the formula is calculate. Okay, I am using calculate formula for this. First of all, we write an expression as given up the preview above, and then filter, and then more. Okay, as you see here, I wrote a complete formula. You can also write a complete formula for this measure, and after completing the formula you just press enter to complete this step. The column name I was wrote before is PMR. PMR stands for previous month returns. Okay, so I have completed this formula of this measure. Okay, then I can add a new card, and then I just took total returns value, and trend axis is start of the month. Okay, as you're seeing here. Then I also change its placement and sizing to drop it with a straight line. Okay, here we add more visuals like that we created before. Then I created a new visual of tree map, as you see here, of territories lookup. Okay, so you can also create more visuals like that, and you can also edit its values also. As you are seeing, the map in the bottom of the page is a visual of Azure map. And one more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to filterize your data to top and top best products or lowest products, so you can with the filter pane, the in the right side here is a vertical column is called filter pane. Okay, you can also filter it by that. Then we create a new page and we go to the product details. So I can add a visual of line chart. So we created a line chart, profit by start of week. Okay, now we create a new parameter. The parameter should be numeric range, and then type data type to decimal numbers, and enter minimum, maximum and increment value, and then just click on create. So it can be created like that, and you are also seeing the formula is given and created by itself, as we created a parameter by the box. And you can also write formula to create a parameter, and it is also showing the formula, dex formula. Okay, now I am creating a new measure named adjusted revenue. Okay, so then I entered a complete formula to create this adjusted profit. Now I drop parameters to field to create a slicer, and then I created this kind of visual, and then in value I add total orders. There's some values, target values, maximum values, minimum values. You can also enter the data here. See, there is a filter tab. It is a filter pane. It is called filter pane. Okay, so here you can also filter everything as you want. Like if you click on top n and enter which kind of top best thing you need, so you can also filter it. Okay, like that it can filter top best thing here, like that, as you are seeing in the page. Now I am creating a new visual, and I am entering total orders in it and start of the month in it. Okay, so it can create this kind of matrix as you are seeing here. The value of the last value and the visual value is being same. So if the value of this matrix will change, so the visual can automatically change its value, because we can do the not basic filtering, we can do advanced filtering. Okay, for that we are clicking on basic filtering. This is the basic filtering, and we don't do the basic filtering, we do the advanced filtering, because the value of this matrix will updated by the left sided matrix. And if you will do basic filtering, so you can change the value by yourself, and the advanced filtering can help you to change value by itself automatically. Now I am changing its position and its sizing, and I do Ctrl C and Ctrl V to get duplicates, and I am changing its value to returns and total returns. Okay, I change this matrix value for total returns as you're seeing here. So we change the page size to create more canvas. We set height. Okay, now we drop a stacked area chart here. Okay, and we can adjust its sizing and pacing also as we want. We can also duplicate it for gross revenue and revenue target. So we can drop the value of gross revenue to values and revenue target to target value. Okay, so it can also create a new matrix like that. You can also change its sizing, placing, and also many more. And then for this you can select the value to start of week in x-axis, and then I select total returns to y-axis, and we can also change it to start of week. Just we can drop return quantity to y-axis. Okay, so it is perfect. You can also change any kind of value as you want to filtrate this, and as you want to show canvas of that. Like I am dragging this total returns to y-axis. Okay, so it created this kind of line chart, because I changed it into line chart. Okay, if you want to filtrate all page canvas by clicking on just one product, so you can also do that. You can click on the one product and it can automatically change the whole page by filtering it. Now in this page we can create a new canvas of card. Okay, so we click on the card and we drop first product name here, so it can show the first product name. We can also change it visualization by going on effect and selecting the background color as you need, as you like. Okay, so you can also change it. So it's all about today. I think you learn everything else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and we will meet in next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.